The healing you are looking for is in nature. Become one with nature. Listen to the birds chirping, breathe deeply, and take 10,000 steps. Stay fit by walking and simple exercises. Stay in shape. Own your body. Stand tall. Don't let the changes of the seasons make you tired. Leave aside all the negative thoughts that are taking over you. Yawn and calm down. Relieve yourself of stress and take control of your health. Strengthen your immunity with healing plants and minerals from nature. Do yourself a favor. Eat healthy. Do an intestinal detox. Cleanse your body of heavy metals with mineral supplements. Intestinal detox and minerals help reduce anxiety by strengthening the nervous system. Strengthen your immunity with the extracts of healing plants. Raise your energy. Love yourself and your body.